The Meadow House Maasland is an ambitious renovation project that aims to transform an outdated dike house into a modern, sustainable dwelling. The original structure, with its partially buried basement and dated layout, fell short of contemporary living standards. The renovation takes a bold approach by preserving the concrete basement while completely overhauling the upper levels. This strategic move allows for significant improvements in energy efficiency and overall comfort. The design philosophy centers on creating a strong connection with the surrounding landscape. The house retains its familiar silhouette while incorporating contemporary elements. The use of aged paduk wood cladding juxtaposed with the gray plaster basement creates a visually striking contrast. The extended northern facade helps the house integrate seamlessly into the flat Polder landscape, emphasizing its horizontal orientation. The interior space is designed to be open and flexible. A central volume, housing essential amenities, divides the ground floor into distinct yet interconnected zones. The interplay of levels and spatial arrangements creates a dynamic atmosphere. Large windows and sliding doors blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, bringing the natural surroundings into the heart of the home. The careful placement of fireplaces adds warmth and ambience to different areas of the living space. A hallmark of the Meadow House Maasland is its meticulous attention to detail. The designers have embraced a minimalist aesthetic, prioritizing purity and functionality. Every element has been carefully considered to create a harmonious and refined living environment. By focusing on the essentials, the house becomes a backdrop that highlights the beauty of the surrounding landscape.